Hi guys, and welcome to the 12th episode of the Streaks and Strokes Fun and Fabric Painting class. In this episode, we'll be showing you how you can paint a cute, carefree unicorn onto your tote bags. So if you're ready, let's get started. To start, place a piece of carbon paper, followed by the printed design, onto the side of the item you want to paint on. Make sure you have a pencil to trace the drawing onto your tote bag or t-shirt. You can place some tape on the sides to prevent the papers from shifting while tracing. While tracing, avoid resting your hands on the carbon paper too much, as this might create smudges on the item which will be hard to wash off. Remember to not fully remove the papers until you have made sure that the whole drawing has been traced. Once you're done with the tracing, you can remove the carbon paper and printed drawing. If the outline isn't clear, you still can draw over the outlines with a pencil so that it can be seen when you're painting later. When you're ready to start painting, place the envelope or a piece of paper in between the shirt or tote bag so that the paint doesn't go through. Since it's a rainbow unicorn, we'll be using multiple different colors. For this painting, we'll use lemon yellow, jade green, ruby red, Egyptian blue, ivory white, and charcoal black. These paints can be purchased from our online store from the website link below. We'll add white to yellow, blue, green and red to get pastel yellow, pastel blue, pastel green, and pastel red. Now we can start painting. Remember to use a smaller brush for details and the bigger one to cover larger parts of the painting. Spread as much paint as you can and try not to leave excess paint blobs on the painting itself. I would suggest that the main body of the unicorn be fully white, but for the other parts of the painting, feel free to choose your own colors. For parts like the unicorn's body, feel free to use the bigger brush to save time. I recommend mixing all the colors you need before you start painting. Then it's easier to plan out which color goes where. When using multiple colors on the same painting, try to make sure the same color isn't beside each other. I chose to use only bright colors for the whole painting, as the black outline later will balance it out. As for the smaller, more intricate parts like the stars or the unicorn's horn, feel free to switch to the smaller brush. Remember that you don't need to follow this design exactly. You can add your own other stars or your name or any other design. Feel free to let your imagination run wild. Once the main body is dry, you can start painting all the small features on it as well as the outline. After you're done with the painting, feel free to touch up any parts that you think need more paint. And now your painting is finished. Use a hairdryer to blow dry your painting, or you can leave your painting to dry until there's no more wet paint on the painting before bringing it to be ironed. If you're interested in getting all the quality materials used in our videos, such as fabric paint, brushes, or even the tote bags and t-shirts we use, I would recommend purchasing them under our fabric paints and kits section on our website link below. Iron your t-shirt or tote bag for roughly 10 seconds to fully dry the paint on it. After that, you can use it, but only wash your item at least 4 days after ironing it. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any feedback or questions, do let us know in our Facebook group. Also, if this video has managed to help you in any way, feel free to share it with your loved ones so we can continue providing you with content like this regularly. See you in our next episode.